What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the transition animation on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, press and hold on an empty space on your home screen and then click on the settings icon. Now from here click on transition effects, and here you have four options that you can use. So just simply tap on our option and then it will show a preview of that transition effect. So just simply select the transition animation that you want to use, and after selecting tap on done, and then the transition animation will be changed. So that's how you can change the transition animation on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.